video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central.
And we're
Trader Central
live.
provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Good morning. Good morning, Rista. Good morning, Hector. What's up? What's good?
Hey, if you hear dogs barking from my side, just tell me. I will mute myself.
All right. All right. Let's get it up here. All right.
This video/stream.
All right. Today I'm actively looking for trades. When I say actively, I absolutely mean it. Today I am literally actively looking for trades.
Did you see that I took GJ cells yesterday?
Yep. Beautiful cells.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, NFX. What's up?
Fine. I caught 8.3K on Nasdaq buys yesterday.
Beautiful.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're just breaking the charts now. We're looking at GJ. I think I'll still sell GJ below 140. 170 almost, right? So this does look good to continue down. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute closure and drive it back down only because the 4-hour has no bottom wick. So I do feel like GJ is gonna continue down.
Did you say you will sell GJ below 140?
161, 170. Yeah.
Okay. I got scared.
GJ may go now. I was waiting for the 45-minute closure and then the break of the low, but I missed it just now while opening the stream.
I'm waiting for break of 160.
Come on.
888.
Yeah. So now this is gonna be making the 4-hour bottom wick, right? On GJ. Alright, we can wait for an early closure below this level, but this should continue down. So now we have a massive top wick on the 4-hour. We should wick fill and continue if we're going bearish.
Yeah.
Man, my trade was right over here. I wanted to take it. I missed it because I was trying to open the stream. Anyway, good morning, Pimpin' Pips. How's it going? What's good, lad? Pum pum. All right. What is gold doing? Chilling. Yep. That is the way. Today I'm actively looking for trades. Today I really want to get a banger traded. 809. So I called out some banger 40 to 50 pip gold cells for the banger squad right over here. In the agent session it went 50 pips. GBP JPY will sell is what Nehru says. Yes, Nehru, that's a massive possibility.
What time is it at your country when it's like New York session?
New York is around evening, so it's around 5:30 in the evening.
8:30 p.m.
Yeah, 5:30 p.m.
It's so cool. You can trade Asian session, you can trade London, you can trade.
Yeah, kinda.
I cannot trade Asian. I mean, I can, but I don't want to stay awake all night.
Yeah. What time will that be for you?
Asia opens around.
Phoenix Trading, yo, what's good?
2 a.m. So yeah, around 2 a.m.
Alright.
So basically middle of the night. And then London opens at 9 a.m. I'm
Yeah.
1 hour faster than London. Let's say like that. And New York is at 2 p.m. So I can basically trade London and New York.
Let's just wait for the GJ closure below 840. Right? 160, 840. Wait for the closure below that, then we take it down. All the way down. That's what I'm gonna be looking at. Alright, will GJ continue down from 161 key level? Remember, 161 is a very sharp key level for GJ. Be careful. Maybe we can take some entries 1 hour time frame. Yeah, below 161. But on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, 161 is a key level. So be careful, guys. Be careful. A little earlier. Let's see, because I want a nice good entry on gold. 1 minute. 500, 16,500. I would say above this level just now. 18, 16, 500. Yeah, once we break that, I feel like we should be good. Yeah. Yes, sir. So Nehru, what we're waiting for is this 1 hour closure in London session open on below this level 161. Let's see. This potential. The thing is, we need to see GJ close in at least below these levels, maybe. Right? If we see GJ closing below these levels, then we can expect the 4 hour to continue down. That's just my personal opinion. Because I want to see that 4 hour go right down to the bottom.
Yo, DC.
Yo, what's good?
What I don't like about GJ is all the choppiness to the left.
Yeah. Pimpin' Pips, I'm not gonna lie. I want to see it break below 840. What do you say?
Yeah,
So below
that's,
840, you see we get this nice clean range.
possible, so.
What kind of choppiness to the left with GJ?
If you take a look, not the clean candles, right to the left.
More to
All
the
the
left.
chop, more to the left.
Yeah, okay. But
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just wait for a candle closure. Let's see this 30-minute candle closure. And so if we break this current candles, or let's see, 15-minute candle. So if this 15-minute candle now closes outside the zone, below 161, we can consider 161 psychological level broken, right? So that's what we'll need to start looking at on GJ. Let's see, we could get a nice entry over here. Of course, there's 31 minutes, it's a big candle. Can GJ close below 161? Phoenix Trading, how you doing, mate? How's it going? What do you think about EJ? I put my chart on Discord for potential sells. Alright, let me take a look at it in a second. How was your stream yesterday? Did you get any trades, Phoenix? NY session, I only took one gold buy yesterday in NY session. Took 1%. Now hold with GJ sell. Stop loss 350. 161 350. Whoa. All the way there, your stops. Okay. That's a little risky, mate, but yeah, for me, I'm gonna get in on this GJ sell once this 15-minute wicks up and we start moving down. 4 hour is bearish. 3 hour is pretty much bearish. 2 hour, look at that massive rejection from the upside. 45 minute bearish, we've broken the previous low. 30 minute, 15 minute, have we closed below 161? We've closed right at 161, so I'm not gonna get into this now. Look at this, it rejected right at 161. It's struggling to break this level, so we're just gonna sit on our hands and wait for 340 to be broken. 840 to be broken. That'll be this level right over here. Right, remember, patience is everything, guys. You know me, even I wanted to get into that sell so badly, but as nicely as it can potentially move, it's closed right at 161, and I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Maybe if this 15-minute candle goes up, makes a top wick and starts coming down to re-break these lows, yeah, then yeah, I would potentially look into it. So yeah, I would want this 15-minute to make a nice little top wick rejection, and then we can look into it. Nikki, thank you for the sub. How have I not exited this? Let's see, Discord. Let's just look at it. Phoenix Trading, what's up? Alright, Martin has put his chart in description. Martin, I'm not able to find your chart. Okay, found it. Euro JPY. Yep, that's a good setup that Martin is looking at on Euro JPY. A very good setup right over here. Check this out. Clean range to the upside. Yep, buy once we break above those levels, and potential sells once we break below those levels. Yep, makes sense, Martin. For me, I got it right below 850. Once we break 850, I'm ready to sell it. Big wick. Let's see. I feel like we may get those buys back above 200. I think 180 is good enough for this zone. Yo, what's good, lad? So we're just gonna we're just looking at the same pairs as usual, right? Good morning, Torre. Let's go, lad. Same pairs as usual. We're looking for GJ and EJ. GJ seems to be promising a sell at the moment, which we are currently waiting for. And so let's see how we can get those sells below 840, get into this clean traffic range, and continue back down. Beautiful, lad. Yeah. Oh, okay. There you go. GJ went back up. That's why I said we're gonna wait for 840. We're just gonna stick to our plan, guys. Stick to the plan, stick to the process, and we're gonna smash it out. All right, smash the like button. Let's get this session moving. Today I'm really looking for a trade, only cause like I wanna bang these markets out superbly today. Let's see what we can do. Gold, Where can we sell gold? Where can we buy gold? Let's take a look at that. 1 hour time frame on gold. All right, we have an interesting level on gold on the 30-minute time frame, down to 18.500. You see that? It's around a 25 pip zone. Gold with a big rejection. That kind of rejection candle, if we close bearish on this 30-minute candle, I will get in if we close bearish. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna wait for the next 30-minute candle to give us a little bit of a top wick and continue back down. We're rejecting 1812. So yeah, this gold sells look promising. And look at gold, how it's lining up. Right? We're right now bearish. We tried breaking up, we couldn't break up. So now we're coming back down. Right now we're rejecting 1812. This is all the markings I had for the banger squad in the morning. Tua has broken the previous high. 1 hour is rejecting with a massive rejection. How many pips is that rejection? 36 pips. Alright, so right now on gold, once we close this candle, what is it, 30 minutes, in 8 minutes, we're gonna look for a trade somewhere around 1811 as we break the previous 30-minute lows. Alright, good morning lads, good morning everyone. How's everyone doing? Smash that like button so we get some more people to see our stream. Let's see what is popping up. Alright, so let's see how we can get these gold sales. Gold sales as long as the 30-minute close is below 1812. GJ created a nice top wick. Now we're breaking this. Let's see 840. Right? 161 is a key level, so let's just leave that there. We went up, created that top wick, started flipping again. 5 pips, 9 pips. Now we gotta wait for it to close below. What's good, man? $18.80. Yep, mine is $18.80 You know, I like to round it off. Yeah. Alright, we look at GJ buys above 350, 161, 350. Alright, this is a 350 zone. Can we get a nice little London push is the question. There's still a lot of time, so okay, gold looks promising, guys. We're gonna wait for the next gold candle to wick up, give us a nice little stop loss, right? and then as we start breaking, I'm gonna have a sell stop at 1811. 1811. GBP JPY sell target is gonna be to break these lows, and first TP will be at let's just say 16400. Of course, you know we always close partials as we start coming down. So there you go. EJ sells look nice below 135 800 and buys above 136 200. EJ 136, yup, exactly. Phoenix, same levels. For me, it's just I'm looking below 850 itself because of this 30-minute time frame. When we look to the left, previously we broke it and we just absolutely went down, and so yeah, that's why I'm looking at 850, because this was previous support too when you look right away on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, around 850 to 800, if we close below that level, we should continue down. Phoenix Trading, why don't you join us on the voice chat, mate, if you're all down with it, or if you're in bed, no problem. King Abe. Alright, so that's what we're looking at right now. GJ. Okay, so gold is closing the way I want it to close. Alright. On Discord, Phoenix Trading, join us in the trading lounge. You don't have to switch on your video or anything, you can just join us in the trading lounge. It's in the free space. Yo, King Abe, can barely, King Abe. Yes, perfect. How's it going? 1 second, let me just put it up for all of you guys. If y'all haven't checked him out, it's Phoenix Trading on YouTube. Yeah, King Abe, listen to us on Discord itself. Alright, so how's it going, Phoenix? King Abe? Yep. Let's just put it down. Phoenix FX Trading. Live streams the NY session every single day. Smashing it out. You can mute YouTube, Abe. Yeah, you're listening to us on YouTube and I can hear the lag in your background. Yeah. Alright, GJ gold also looking interesting, but gold is closed up there, which doesn't give us a clear sell confirmation. So I will not be taking that. Of course, this is a massive rejection on the 30-minute time frame. Maybe if we create a nice rejection wick from 1813 and start coming down, then we could expect a sell off. GJ 30-minute closed. We plunged directly, no top wick. GJ 30-minute, 1 hour. Was it 1 hour? GJ 45-minute candle just absolutely coming right down. 33 pips down. Abe, you there? Awesome. Alright. Will you be there for most of the stream? Awesome. Alright, let me just add it on my screen. Alright. Alright, there you go, guys. Today we have King Abe with us on the stream. So I'm gonna look for this 45-minute closure below 168.40. Wait for the top wick, and then we can get in on the candle flip back down. It looks really good. 12 minutes the candle closure. Yeah, that would be a 15-minute candle closure below this level too. GJ looks like a good sell today. That's the problem. But as seen yesterday, Pimp and Pips, we missed out on that trade because of waiting for a top wick, and and one of the candles didn't give us a top wick, if I'm not mistaken. And so let's see if we can catch it with momentum. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for this 45-minute candle to close, wait for the top wick, and let's get in on it. So what's gonna happen is, do we think GJ will retrace and fill in this what SMC traders would consider an imbalance, what we would consider free traffic to the left, right? What is GJ gonna do? Will GJ at least fill in this 4-hour candle? So for that, I'd like it to make the 30-minute top wick and then come back down and close below this level. That would be a solid closure. King Abe, what's your view on the market today? Alright. GU, let's take a look at it. Oh, GU is breaking down really well. Some may say GU is actually a lot cleaner, eh? Mm. Yep. All right. Let's go, AZ. Wednesday is our day. Yup. Hope we catch an absolute banger where we got King Abe in the house for double confluence. So let's go. Beautiful. Phoenix FX trading, right? That is awesome. Alright. I'm gonna be waiting for GJ 45-minute candle closure, pullback in continuation. Gold looks like it's gonna break this low 1811. What is that stop? That's a 15 pip stop. Let's see what it looks like. Let's wait for the 45-minute closure on gold too. Let's see below 1811. 8 minutes left on gold too. That would be an amazing. Look at that rejection now on gold. 35 pip rejection, so that looks pretty good to continue down. Yep. Right now GJ looks like it just wants to slam it. Does anyone think we're gonna get entries on GJ, or is GJ just gonna continue? Yep. So London session opens in 23 minutes. Yeah, even I need a wick on GJ too. Want to get entries on gold, hopefully. Yup, Pranav, we're looking at that too. Let's go, chat. Come on, smash that like button. Let's keep moving forward. If any of you want to join us on Discord, do join us. And also remember, we have King Abe in the house, so feel free to shoot your questions. So King Abe, when did you start trading? Uh, 6 years now. Oh, that's amazing. That's pretty much the same time I've been at it. Sanjeev, hello man, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's just see. 22 pip candle on GJ. Yeah. Yeah, GJ about to break the previous 4-hour low. Yep. Yeah. I wanted to get in right over here, but I was starting the stream and I missed my entry. it would have been 50 pips up. But no problem. We are here every single day searching for trades, following our plan and our process. I don't want the next 15 minutes. I don't want it to just suddenly skyrocket up to make the to cast the top wick for the half an hour candle before London Open. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yep. So we would consider that's almost like a demand zone. GJ is going to go up to 165, but not till it hits the lows of 158. Interesting. So there you go. We learn new things every single day in this community. Yep. What are you thinking, Abe? Until we hit 158, we're not going to 165? Yeah. Yeah. Sanjeev, I'm good, man. How you doing? GNU, what's up? What's good? Sorry, King Abe, tell me. Exactly. 100. Yep. I think that's what I'm looking at primarily hitting, because we can go as far as even 163.50, right? These levels to the left, right over here, and slap it right back up. So that's why we need to be very cautious and very clear with our trade right now. 45-minute time frame is closing, but it doesn't look convincing. 30-minute candle is still open. 15-minute candle is also still open. Euro JPY. Yeah, I think Euro JPY and GBP JPY, if we're gonna continue down, will even Euro JPY will start breaking this low. Yeah. Yep.
We should have an entry if GJ really wants to do up.
Yep. Why?
So that's like the next 1 hour, 30 minutes, hopefully.
I love how London opens at different time for everybody.
Yeah, to me it's around 12:30 in my time.
Here 9 a.m. At
Wow.
King is 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Yep. It's amazing what trading does, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, I think I'm gonna get into GJ once this 45-minute candle wakes up and starts coming down. Only because I see a lot of volume right now in the market for GJ sells. But I want it to wake up first. If it just continues, then that's not gonna be fun. Come on, GJ, pull back, pull back. Give us a top wick and then you can do whatever you want, bro. EJ loves to set up, King. That's what I've noticed with EJ. EJ loves to set up. So EJ, once this candle closes below this level, we'll get some banger moves, that I'm sure of. That's no problem. GJ is...
EJ actually give you a nice entry. Pull back, broke the previous support, then pull back, created a resistance at 136,
exactly.
200, and started dropping. That would have been a nice entry.
Exactly. So
This
let's
is
see.
like you have like a 30 pip range.
Yep. So I think EJ is going to give it to us at this 30-minute closure. GJ also should be able to give it to us at the 30-minute closure.
If we miss GJ, we can take EJ.
Yep, and the good thing, amazing thing about GJ is it's closing in clean traffic, right? So that's the good thing about it.
Yeah.
So if you move your support a little bit down where you have, you see that bullish flip previously?
This one?
Yep.
Alright.
No, yep. Up a little bit more. At the bullish flip, the previous bullish flip on the 30-minute.
Okay, this bullish flip?
No, to the right. Yeah, right there.
Alright.
No, you went.
Here.
Yep, that bullish flip right there.
Alright.
That's how I have mine set up.
Oh, that looks clean too.
Because I felt like that's where we had the rejection and price pushed up. So
this can be considered a fake out on the 1 hour, right?
Yeah, it's a fake out.
That's my zone too.
Yeah, I have my zone right at that wick.
Beautiful. That actually looks pretty good. So we need to see how GJ is gonna continue down, or EJ is gonna continue down. One of the two. Both of them look good.
EJ and GJ, they better give me a trade because I usually don't trade London session. They better make me some money.
Don't worry. EJ and GJ both gonna make you some money today in the London session. Okay, gold is closing bearish, but we still closed above 18 and 11. So let's see how the 30-minute closes, and then we can anticipate on gold too. will we start creating a top wick on GJ? A quick retest and continuation. I think everyone's just waiting for GJ and EJ to just close below support, right? There's so much anticipation because of this clean traffic range to the left.
Yeah, it should be a very nice sell.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
If we have a very good selling pressure, I might just set my TP and go to sleep.
Yeah, like
I
what
gotta
GJ
be
did
up
yesterday.
Yeah. I gotta be up for New York session anyways, so.
Yeah. Let's see. So EJ, would you take it regardless, based on the 1 hour closure?
You mean EJ?
Yeah.
Actually, for EJ, I have my zones a little bit down further.
800.
So I have mine at, my support is at 135 800, because if you look to the left,
Yeah.
we have a minor resistance to the left,
Yeah.
and price rejected that same zone to the right, so that's where I have my support zone.
Fair enough. Alright, could we see this move on GJ happen? Could we see a nice little top wick? Okay, we have 7 minutes. You know, GJ can do anything. We can go spike up, make this little top wick on GJ 30-minute time frame and come back down. Alright, or will we start seeing rejections from 840? Gold is just begging me to sell it. GNU, yeah, we trade London. No, I trade Asian and New York too, but with the bangers only squad. With the bangers only squad.
You're lucky, 'cause you have enough time to sleep.
You know what, King? I think I live in the best time zone for Forex trading, because Asian session is early morning for me. That's around 5 o'clock, 5:30. London session is in the afternoon and New York session is in the evening.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, I wish it's like that here.
It's alright. The thing is, what sessions you perform better? Right now, I've seen my performance smashing it in NY session.
Yeah, that's why barely. I don't even trade London sessions. That's why I stuck with New York session. I perform better during New York session.
Yeah. My calls in the Asian session are really good, but my execution in the Asian session is terrible. So that's why I stopped trading the Asian. Harry's more lucky if you live in Indonesia. Yo, Harry, put down the time stamps of what time each session is. GNU same. I usually trade better in NY. That's good. So King Abe, tell us a little bit. How did you get into trading?
A friend of mine introduced me to IML.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I got introduced to IML and tried it out. That was a disaster. lost all my money, and I quit trading. I was with IML for, I think, for about a year, and then I stopped trading. I just, I was driving Lyft and Uber at the time, and I was still, trying to figure out how to trade. But at that time, IML, what all they care about is bringing people to the company. They really
Yeah.
wasn't, teaching people how to trade. At that time, the signals was trash. Plus, I didn't know what I was doing. I was just over leveraging, over trading. I didn't know what I was doing. So I lost
Yeah.
about 10 grand at that time. So I just was like, no, I'm done with this. This
Oh
is
man.
this is not working. So
Yeah.
I went back to driving, and one day I was just on YouTube. You know how YouTube usually shows you what you watch all the time. They will recommend what you watch all the time
Yes, sir.
on YouTube.
Yep.
And at that time, I wasn't watching nothing about Forex at all on YouTube. So I was just in my car, taking a break from driving, because I usually took like an hour break after driving long hours, like my lunch time.
Yeah.
And I just went on YouTube, and first video I saw that YouTube recommended was about Forex.
Oh wow.
In my head, I was like, "Oh, really? This Forex BS again?"
Yeah.
But I watched the video anyways, and I found it very interesting. And then that was how I started, watching YouTube videos. But one thing that I did do was, even though I was driving at that time, long hours, I was driving like 12, 14, 16 hours.
Yep.
I was still watching YouTube videos consistently during my breaks.
Yeah.
When I'm going home, when I get home, I'll watch a bunch of YouTube videos before I go to sleep, and I'll practice what I've learned on those videos on MT4.
Yep.
And that was before I knew it. I started figuring it out, and now I'm here.
Yeah.
I have
So, and I try to tell people in this industry, like, we all learn differently. Now, you really do not have to pay for a course, but at the same time, you might have to, because we do not have the same brain as human beings. God didn't make us the same way.
Exactly.
So, for somebody, you might actually need to get you a course. And for some of you, you only need videos. For some of you, you only need one-on-one mentorship session, and you'll be able to figure it out. But for me, all I needed was a bunch of YouTube videos, because at that time, paying someone for mentorship, it was just too expensive. I'm like, I'm not about to pay someone freaking $3,000, $5,000 just because I want to learn something.
Yeah.
So I just had to do it on my own. And I tell people, for me, I went to Forex YouTube University. That was my school.
Oh, okay.
And what people needs to know, that we all land, basically 99% of us, we all land on our heads, and then we start slowly standing up.
So yeah, that's amazing, King, because I think we all learn. I think at least for us and our generation, where we at least I could say, like, quite a few of us have started streaming based on our experiences, right? And even for me, it was all about watching, learning, and not having to pay for it, only because, like, you couldn't afford to trade, try and trade with your own capital and pay for a Forex course, right? And so yeah, I think the free content is what enables so many people to do what seems impossible.
Yeah, and even if you're watching stuff on YouTube for free, that's free, because sometimes a lot of people, they don't value free contents. They don't value free stuff. They only value what they pay for, what they're paying for. So But I knew what I wanted. I knew what I'm trying to aim for. I knew what I wanted. So I made sure I was dedicated. I was committed. I was, practicing, just to make sure I gain the knowledge I want.
Yep. Alright, King, the 30-minute is closed. This is London Open right now. Alright, London 30-minute has closed below this range. What are we looking at?
Looking at GJ, okay, we just actually kind of flipped bearish now. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yep. So I think GJ will now decide if we break this 45-minute low, will we continue down or not? So we've rejected the 840 level. Will volume push GJ down? Will volume continue to push GJ down? I'm looking to, but right now I feel a little uncertain. Only because when you look at this 5-minute time frame, massive rejection side, this could push down with volume. That's the only thing I would be expecting it to do. If it pushes down with volume, then we could possibly catch a little bit of a banger right now. But it needs to continue down with volume. Right now it's not showing us volume. GJ deciding a little bit sketchy. EJ, can we get a sell? I think EJ is a better one to wait for. What do you guys think? EJ be the better one to wait for? EJ, let's see, once we break 2 hour low, but we haven't made a long enough wick on that. Yeah, GJ looks sus, man. To clear this range, not sure.
Did you take the GJ cells?
I'm waiting to. I really want to.
EJ is not ready.
All right, EJ is getting ready, guys. Get ready. Yeah, EJ actually looks ready. Can we set a sell stop? I'm just trying to see if we can set a sell stop on EJ.
And if GJ keeps dropping, that would be nice.
GJ, the thing is, GJ is moving very like, I don't know. It's not a nice volume move. You know, you get what I mean?
I mean, the market just opened. London session just opened. So
Oof, look at gold. No bottom wick, right back up. GBP USD, what a move on GBP USD. Look at that.
I don't know what to think about GJ, to be honest.
oh, I was just looking at GU.
Yeah, GU was actually pretty much a really good move. Okay, let's look at EJ. If GJ continues to drop, it should give us a good trade on EJ. So EJ, let's say, honestly, a 15-minute closure itself would be good, but if volume comes in, we could be looking at breaking these 2-hour lows to continue down at 820. Is that a 3-hour low? No, the 3-hour lows are different. So that'll be the previous
4-hour low.
1-hour low and 2-hour low. I just need one really good trade. A 15-minute closure below 850 would do us a lot of good on EJ. So we're gonna keep our eyes peeled on EJ. Gold is kind of relatively choppier this morning, so we're looking at above 500. We can remove quite a few zones now, because that kind of clears up all that nonsense. GJ, you see GJ how suspicious that is? That doesn't make me confident in it at all. What are the other pairs you trade, King?
JPY pairs and NAS 100.
Alright, let's just take a look at that. So NZD JPY also?
Yep, I trade that too.
USD JPY also, I'm guessing?
Not really USD JPY, but once in a while.
CHF JPY?
Nope, I don't trade that one at all.
Alright. Let's just take a look at AUD JPY. In the meantime, guys, keep your eyes peeled for if we get a trade on one of the pairs. Okay, so AUD JPY. Interesting morning on AUD JPY. Let's look at which is the cleanest time frame.
AUD JPY and NZD JPY is interesting right now.
There's no Fura bottom wick on AUD JPY. I think we need to be careful on this moves on EJ and GJ. Yup. You can see how reluctant GJ is to break this level, so that's why I just be really cautious and careful. GJ, what could we be facing right now?
If it breaks this low on the 5, that low on the 5 minute is coming down.
Yeah, that should come down with volume. Yeah. Can we set a stop?
But I took it already, even though it was risky, but I took it.
King A with a little bit of a risky trade.
Yep, my entry was 160.669. That was my entry.
Alright, King Abe. I got in on that with you. My entry was 165.50 and I'm out. So for me, those kind of volume moves, my stops are at break even. And I don't yeah.
You got in at the lows of the 5 minute?
Yep, at the 5 minute lows. So yeah, we're just waiting now. We're just waiting.
Yeah, if we close this below that low, yeah, it's coming down.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Alright, Euro JPY coming in. I will be getting in at 820, break of the previous 1 hour low.
I was gonna take GU sales, but I missed it.
Yep. GU sells, we missed it at London Open. GU sells were at London Open. Hey, that is King Abe.
You got this dude on your channel, A-Rod?
Yeah. A-Rod. I think A-Rod is from a different channel. He's with Iron Man or something, right?
I don't know what he is, but he's definitely a twirler.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I really don't focus on individuals.
Dude, I blocked him from my channel.
I don't think he's gonna troll on mine though.
Hopefully he doesn't.
Yep. A-Rod, we maintain discipline over here. We keep positivity over here. So if you're here to bring negativity, feel free to move off this channel. Right? That's how we keep it down here. Alright, I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle closure in 50 seconds. And then we're gonna decide what we're gonna do. I just speak facts here. Be taking 2 to 2. That's all I have said. I respect my dude. Yep, and King Abe is profitable the way he trades, so there's none of that is necessary.
It's just how this industry is. Some people feel like if you're not using their strategy, or you take a few trades and you have a few losses, then you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't even understand that it takes a lot of courage to come on YouTube and live trade.
Yep.
It takes a lot of courage. It's not easy. Like I could just do this by myself on my own.
Exactly. You know the
It's different
problem.
when you're doing this on YouTube. It's very
Yeah.
different.
The problem, Abe, is this industry is so toxic, alright? And these people, I would say, yeah, there are quite a few toxic people in the industry, And that's what I don't like about our Forex industry.
Every industry is toxic.
Yeah. No,
It's
but
not
if you
about
look
the
at it,
industry, it's about people.
that is true. That is very true. That's on point, Rista, honestly. Because I really think that, yeah, people in general are more toxic than they should be.
I'm closing at 15 pips on my GJ.
Beautiful, Abe.
Got 15 pips. Most stops to break even for me.
Break
You
even.
you should have 10 pips by now. DC.
I took around 7-8 pips on that GJ move. 8 pips.
Oh.
Yeah, I just don't like the way the market is moving. I like, that clear market movement. When it just pushes through levels and zones, I prefer that stuff as compared to right now.
Yeah.
You see how he's dropping though? He's dropping.
Yeah, she should drop now.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can catch me 80 to 100 pips on these GJ sales.
Best of luck.
Alright. Yeah.
Okay, EJ looking nice.
EJ looking nice. My sell stop was activated.
Oh, you got sell stop on EJ?
Yeah, at 820 is my sell. 820 was my sell stop, and my stops are above the previous 15-minute high.
When you trading together with another trader is just so fun because
So much more fun.
Your level, your support level is actually different from mine, and
Yep.
that's what actually makes it fun because we can learn from each other.
Definitely. It's always more fun doing it together than separate, right, King Abe?
Everyone said you need tough skin in this market like Roger.
Yep,
They will
you
eat
need tough
your land.
skin. Doesn't mean you need to be toxic to other people and try to prove that they need tough skin, eh?
Raja is crazy how he answers some questions.
Yeah.
He's
And the
like
thing is,
somebody's-
Raja is the king of live YouTube trading, right? Because he's the first one who did it, and definitely he knows this market in and out, and he knows
Yeah,
the kind of
honestly-
people that approach the market.
Honestly, DC, I don't think Roger. I mean, he's definitely one of. I say it all the time on my live stream. Roger is definitely one of the traders I respect a lot in this industry.
Yeah.
But I don't think he started the Forex live stream on YouTube. I don't think he started it. But what I think is he made it like famous or popular, huge, or something like
Yeah.
that. So I'll give him that.
I mean, there is probably somebody who was streaming with like few viewers, but Raja is first who gained a
Who made it famous?
popularity.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
So
But the
that's
question
why
is,
we consider him
who's
first.
who? It was there? Do you all know of any live traders who were there before Raja?
Who knows? Maybe.
Yeah, I mean, actually, I think Uncle Ted was. I'm not sure about this. I could be wrong, but I think Uncle Ted used to stream back in the day because Uncle Ted, and he's been like, man, he's been in this industry for like forever.
Yeah.
You know who streamed also live? The guy we spoke about that has Samsung G9, who is in crypto right now. I forgot.
Who's that?
Cameron
I forgot
Foos.
his Cameron Foos. Yeah, I found his streams from like 2014 when he was trading stocks.
And he trades Forex now?
No, now he trades crypto.
Oh.
But he was live trading stocks like in 2014. So as I said, there are probably people who were streaming way before Raja.
But again, he wasn't
Raja
live
made
trading.
He was.
No, because I've been following Cameron Foods for about 7 or 8 years now. And he was never a live streamer because I used to try to implement his techniques, right? And he was never a live streamer. Yes, I'm out of EJ.
Yeah, my GG is pulling back hard here too.
Yep. So right now I made on GJ earlier when I took 7 pips. So how much did we make in that? A second. So I made $700 and I lost about 300 on EJ. So we're still up for the day. GJ is pulling back hard. Let's see if EJ, what can we do on EJ?
Yeah, I wish I could show you my support level on EJ. That's why I didn't take EJ.
EJ 800 support level?
Yeah, let me see if I can send it to the Discord.
Yep, you can shoot it on the general chat. Jai Santosh, what lot size am I using? I'm using 10 lot size.
So where do I send it to on Discord?
You can send it on the general chat, King.
Where? Oh, general. Okay.
Yeah, general, yeah.
Yeah, I found now one guy. His name is Brooks Trading Course. He was live 8 years ago, for example.
Alright, because I think Raja was live for about 6 years now, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Take a
This
look
guy
at it.
was-
I just sent it.
Yeah. So that's what
Oh,
we
okay.
said, yeah.
I see you, King. I see you.
But I mean, Raja is Raja. He's
Yeah. No, because I mean, like, you're really not trading live, like, unless, like, you're known for trading live, right?
Yep.
And so I think Raja did it perfectly.
I like how he speaks, you know.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
Somebody ask him what's your entry, and he's like, I don't want to tell you. Find it yourself, you know.
Yeah, Raja is very calm, very chill,
yeah.
and a good businessman.
He knows how to build a business. That's one thing I can tell you about Raja. He's a
And
guy
he knows
who
how
knows.
to spend money.
Yep.
He does
I mean,
not
he
spend
knows
it
how to
on
make
stupid
money on
stuff.
gold, though.
Yeah. So I wish I could trade gold like him, but you know, you got to stick to what you're good at, and
Yeah.
I barely mess with gold. So, and as a trader, you know, I had to learn the hard way. I know my limits. I know the pairs that I'm good at, and I just stuck with those pairs.
Yep.
I love gold,
Do you?
especially when it's on neck.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, gold is easy to trade on the 4-hour time frame. I've noticed it's a lot better to trade because these setups show itself every now and then, and they're absolutely beautiful setups. And those are the setups that Raja just trades. Like, he just trades once a week, and he just takes 100 lot on gold, and yeah, he's made enough money for the year.
Yeah. I don't know, I can catch moves on gold on like 30-minute time frame. But my moves are always 1-to-1, so
Yeah.
that's the difference.
Yeah, 100 lots on gold, and a freaking 10 pips, man, that's bank.
No, but Raja does 100 lots on gold and 200 pips. Yeah, there's
Even
no one like Raja who trades with his live terminal. That's facts. Yep. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
this is how you know this industry is so toxic. There was a time I don't watch his stream that often because I trade New York session myself. But
Yeah.
times when I watch it, there'll be some people in the chat talking about, oh, why did you take this entry? You suck at trading. Why did you take? I'm like, do you know who you're talking to? Like,
Yeah.
what are you talking about? And
And-
the setup he took was actually a good setup.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what he will tell them, watch and you will see why, and that's it.
And the thing is,
And
like, seriously, like, it's like everyone sees the market differently, right? We don't need to. No one needs to put anyone down. That's the funny
Yeah.
thing. But yeah, unfortunately, industry is a very, very, very toxic industry.
As I said, it's every industry.
Yeah.
I don't like to say that some industry is toxic, because every industry is toxic because of the people. So people are toxic.
Yeah.
exactly, it's the people that are toxic. Not yeah, you're right.
I'm kind of big in photography in my country, and people are hating.
Yeah.
You know.
What Arod actually said is kind of, I kind of completely agree with Arod on this, that Daniel Savage actually has the toughest skin. I think no one has the
Has
amount of
to what?
haters as Daniel Savage, don't you think?
Yeah, probably.
And he still does what he does. He still drops his 50 lots. He still drops 70K a week and stuff like that. And he doesn't care.
Not just Daniel Savage. Then there's including Mamba FX.
That is
Yeah,
true.
man, but
Those guys, Mamba FX, Daniel Savage, Lambo Rahul, and it's actually because of the way they market themselves, because they're giving people what they want to see.
yeah, they are amazing marketers and
Yeah,
amazing traders, and people think
Yeah.
that if you're amazing marketer, you cannot be an amazing trader. But I mean, Daniel was streaming live. He was catching pips and everything,
Yeah, and the
He-
funny
For
thing
me-
about,
Proved
for me-
himself.
yeah,
For me, as a trader, if I see a trader live trading on YouTube, you have my respect. Like,
Yeah.
it takes a lot to do that. I'm just gonna keep saying that. Like, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't know how to trade and you don't believe in yourself, you're not gonna come on YouTube and try to live trade. You're just gonna keep doing you.
yep.
Yeah. And people hate on Mamba because this guy has the simplest strategy in the world.
The thing is,
And
with Mamba effects and everyone, like, the thing is, I'll tell you what, they do everything to trigger people in order to get that hate and bring attention to their stream, is what I feel.
yeah.
And
I mean, every attention is good attention.
exactly, for them, literally, they get the attention and then boom, you can see their trading is also good. Their, their marketing is really good. And yeah, it's like, the more people say you shouldn't show Lambos in the Forex industry, the more Lambo Rahul will buy. It's funny. Jay
I
Santosh.
don't know. I mean, I don't know why they just hating on them. They should just leave them alone. They're still young. I mean, they're still in their early 20s. Let them do whatever they want to do.
Exactly.
It doesn't mean they don't know how to trade.
Exactly.
To be honest, let's everybody be honest. If you have those kind of money and those kind of trading account as Daniel and everybody, wouldn't you drive Lambos and everything? I would.
Exactly.
I
I think
would buy a Lambo.
I think anyone
Okay.
would.
Okay, so when it when it comes to that, for me, I'm not gonna go buy a $300,000 car if I only have $1 million. Not even in my bank account. Just let's say I have $1 million in my trading account. Do you think
Yeah.
I'm gonna go buy a $300,000 car? That's not my money.
Yeah.
That's not what I have in the bank. Yes, I have it in my trading account, but is that my net income? That's not my net income. Whatever I have in my bank account, then that's my money.
Yep.
Now, if I have $1 million in my account, in my trading account, of course I can go buy $100,000 car. Yeah, that's fine. I'd rather invest $300,000 in real estate in some other business than for me to go buy a Lambo.
Exactly.
That's just me. That's how I think.
You know that the important thing actually, King, is over here. In this industry, we all should know that different things will bring different people happiness, right? And so for like Daniel Savage, he may be trading in his garage or his house or whatever, right? I mean, like in his small apartment, he may not be trading in the biggest, most flashiest house like Lambo Raul or whatever. But he drives a Lambo because he loves cars. He owns a S-Class because he loves cars, right? So that happiness, nothing else can replace and stuff like that. And so the same thing with Lambo Raul and all, they all weren't living in the flashiest of houses until like probably recently, right? They were all living in like flats and apartments and stuff like that. But Lambo Raul was still driving around Lamborghinis and still driving around, McLarens and stuff like that. Why? Because that stuff actually brought them happiness. Yep. And so as long as these people are able to respect that, respect the fact that actually brings that certain person happiness, I think, we as people will never progress. Because we will always be pointing out at why someone made a certain move or did a certain thing. But on the hindsight, we're never actually looking at the real thing, that is they're achieving their happiness while we're just pointing fingers at their happiness. And so, yeah, like Raja says, the wise thing is to buy houses in real estate, right? For some others, like Lambo Raul and all, they put their money into like Lamborghini SVJs and all because they know those cars don't lose money. Those cars will only go up in value because of the market. So that's why, like, I think, to each man his own. Like, if Daniel Savage decides to do something with 70,000 and flood it on the internet, it's his choice to do that because it's his money. Yeah. So yep, sometimes it's a mindset of being successful. Sometimes it's about the mindset of feeling successful, so you trigger your mind to win. That's true. Okay, come on EJ, let's go below 800. Gold, what can we look at on gold? 1 hour 26 minutes for the 4 hour candle close on gold. What do you all think about the bigger picture on gold? AUD JPY looks interesting. What are the other pairs you're looking at, King?
I was looking at EJ, GJ, and GU. Obviously, I missed GU, so far I've only taken GJ.
Yeah, GU was really nice. That was so clean. 30 pips. Guys, we have Phoenix Trading King Abe from Phoenix FX Trading on YouTube. If you want to check him out, he streams the New York session every single day. He calls out absolute bangers and slappers. So for those NY traders who want to watch a new live stream and who wants to watch someone who calls trades every day, King Abe is the way to go. Quora gonna close. Huzzah. Oh yes, it does. Honestly, guys, I don't think we're gonna get like really nice, good entries in the London session. Because I mean, like, if we look at the way, if we look at all the live streams that have been around, most of the people haven't taken any trades in the London session. Simply because of the setup, so yeah. So King Abe, what's your goal? What's one of your goals, you can say?
What do you mean?
One of your big goals. So it's like,
I mean, when I first started trading, obviously, my main goal was to be able to do this full time.
Yeah.
And I've been able to do
I'm
that.
back.
You said what?
I'm back.
Oh,
Okay, that's
yeah.
good.
So
yeah.
and I've been able to do that. And then another goal was to smash 6 figures trading, and that has been cleared.
Oh damn, that's amazing.
I don't want to say too much, so I'm just gonna leave it at that.
Another goal was to make 3 million in a year. That's smashed.
That's amazing, King Abe. We're so
Good job,
happy
man.
for you from our side.
Oh, Squid is here too. Okay, I see Squid. Yeah, you said my hair looks like a crown on the stream yesterday. Okay, I see some people here that I'm familiar with. I see Hazard, I see Squid. I think I'm familiar with Hector. Who
Yeah,
else?
Hector's a nice guy. He brings a lot of positivity. Yes, Sabe. That is right.
Amazing trader.
Yep.
Okay, I think I'm familiar with Sandeep. Familiar with Sandeep also.
Yep, Sandeep is also one of the amazing traders we have here at the London session.
And of course, Pippin Pips.
Yep, Pimpin Pips with us.
Damn, GG was not playing.
I'm glad I didn't take it, to be honest.
Yeah, same here. I'm kind of satisfied I didn't take it. I was actually looking at GJ closing on the 15-minute time frame below 400.
I don't know. I put it like this buy sell on Trading View just to see how it would look like, and it came like 3 pips away from 1-to-1 and went straight back into reacting. So
Yep.
and I don't like to close trades
Yeah.
like that. I would put my stop loss to break even and wait.
If I had to take the entry I really wanted, that was about 80 pips away. But yeah.
I actually just closed my entire position on GJ.
Alright.
Yeah, but
I just want to see this 15-minute time
see
frame
what
close a little
happens with it.
stronger. Alright, Sandeep says watch out on GBP AUD.
But man, GU would have been the better entry, man.
GU was a solid entry.
Gonna drop 30 pips now. And it's dropping nice.
Yep, Sandeep, you're in a GA buy. That is interesting. I bought GA right now, so he bought GA right now. Over here. Okay. Very interesting. Yes, Squid, you're hearing it right. It's King Abe in the house. Took that GU, Derek. Beautiful. GU was textbook, literally. GU was textbook. Look at that. Drop, you could have waited for the top candle wick.
I mean, man, I wish I took it, man. Because it was ranging for a while and it finally broke below the range.
Exactly. GU was really textbook, but yeah, it's fine.
Yep, it is what it is.
As I always say, better to miss than to lose.
Yes,
yep,
sir.
that's true.
What stop that? That was literally 10 pips stop.
Actually,
yeah.
take a look at EJ right now. So EJ is just ranging. We're gonna see EJ push into the upside come New York session. We'll see though.
Yep.
Because the overall trend is actually an uptrend, and what EJ did now is that he rejected an uptrend line, and now it's just ranging.
Yep. So I think if we close above 136,200 King, we should be good to move up to the top of the range.
Hopefully that happens before I go to sleep.
Possibly.
So you go to sleep at what time?
Maybe 3:30.
And you wake up at 8 a.m. or earlier?
I wake up at 6. I'm only gonna get like 2 hours, 30 minutes.
You will get a little nap.
Yep, a little nap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And once I'm done with my live stream, then I'll go
Then
back
you
to
sleep.
sleep.
Okay. It's hard.
Yeah.
It seems very hard.
Alright, I suggest that you throw out so much information from the screen because you don't look at it well. And probably a lot of people leave the stream because you don't look at it well. What am I supposed to look at, Jagoda? I'm sorry, 78 people in the house. I don't know what they're talking about. Is Jagoda
Like
from
the stream, guys?
Oh wow, David said he took the GU sales. That's very nice.
Yep, Derek smashing it out.
Yeah, we missed it.
Yes, sir. Alright, so just breaking it down. Look at GJ. Plain and simple. It was actually a pretty easy and beautiful move on GJ. We rejected 350, right? We rejected 350 level, coming all the way back down. So in the morning, what did we do in the Asian session? Right? In the Asian session, we created a high. Then we came down to create a low. In pre-London, we created a lower high in pre-London. And then when we broke, we created a lower low. And that should have been the move which we got. That was about 40 pips. 40 pip movement right down. So there you go, plain and simple market structure, lower highs and lower lows in continuation and breakout structure. So there was enough reasons to take that trade. So some of us got in low over here. I think King also got in low over there. King, you got it on 15 pips if I'm not mistaken on GJ.
Yeah.
Rista, did you catch anything?
I closed out at 20 pips.
Oh, beautiful. Alright, so I caught around 7 pips on GJ, or 8 pips if I'm not mistaken on GJ. And I closed it. So you think EJ made a...
My DJ entry was this whole 30 minute bearish candle. That was my entry. So I caught all that drop down.
The entire drop, that was about 40 pips, King.
Oh, I mean, some of it, I guess.
I think you took it at the break of the 58 minute, right? On the 5 minute time frame?
I took it at the 30 minute. I took it on a 30 minute time frame.
My MT5 just died and I heard like bow. I was like, what's happening?
Wow. Actually, I closed it at 30 pips, not 20. 30.
Beautiful. Derek is asking if gold sales are about to come in. Gold sales. Let's look at the time frames.
It can be possible, yeah?
Yep, that's a possibility. It's a supply zone on gold, definitely, that we're rejecting 1816 flat.
Dude, I probably should have stayed on my stayed in my GJ trade, but it's all good. I still got New York Central.
Yes, sir. Gold. Let's see. If gold closes bearish below 1815, then we could look at taking it back down to the bottom. 1815. But now we have to wait and see how this 4-hour candle is also going to close, right? How do you know when to close your runners impulsively? Because it depends on what your target is with your runners. For me, I target certain profits. So like I like round figures. I like bringing my account to certain round figures. So that's how I target it. But otherwise, many times with runners, it's left to run like overnight and to some unreasonable level if you're trading with the trend. Euro JPY 4-hour candle. The previous 4 hours was very bearish. You can't sleep with runners.
No, man, I cannot leave a trade. I mean, yeah, that's 25% of a trade and the stop is at break even, but I need to watch it. You know?
Yeah, that's the thing with me too. Like if I don't move my stop loss to profit, I'm not gonna go to sleep.
No, I will not go to sleep either.
Yeah.
I need to watch it. I'm addicted.
Yeah, once I move my stop loss to profit, yep, then I can go to sleep.
But
that's one of the, in fact, that's the main reason why I don't trade London session anymore.
Yeah. But to be honest, I never had that kind of positions to go to sleep because my London and New York are at day, so, and Tokyo, I just close it at 11 p.m. if I need it. That's 10 p.m. That's the end of the year. But rarely happens.
Yeah. Alright, let's close this 30-minute bearish and then we can look at it on gold to continue down. Guys, there's
Quick
76 of
breaks,
y'all. Let's smash that like button. Come on. Let's get to a 1-to-1 on likes. So King Abe, that's the reason why you don't take trades in London.
Yeah. That's the reason why.
Fair enough.
Plus, and also, sometimes you'll be up for during London session, and you won't take no trades. Price will just be ranging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which this year has been a big reality in London session. Like London session ranging has been a massive reality.
Yeah.
Alright, the 1 hour candle on GJ is about to close in a few minutes.
Oh man, I should have left my GJ sales running.
It's
But
alright.
you
King.
closed profits, so I like on charts how they basically print what's happening in the world.
Yep.
London session is consolidating whole year. We know that everybody is kind of scared. Everybody
Yep.
is waiting to see what will happen. Nobody push anything.
So how are we gonna close on the 1 hour on GJ is the question. Alright, so now we're breaking the 4-hour level on the 15-minute time frame. The 400 level on the 15-minute time frame. So let's wait and see, GJ, how we're gonna react. What is EJ doing? EJ with a pretty big rejection from the upside on the 30-minute time frame. We're rejecting
Yeah.
136.
GG doesn't have a lot of volume though, because
Yeah.
it's not really moving.
GJ is the biggest scammer in Forex industry.
Yeah, I think waiting is so essential. Because honestly, I'll tell you what. 1 second. Because I think in the London session everything sets up, and the New York session everyone gets banger trades. Because even I've noticed myself getting banger trades in the London session. Oh, New York session. Yesterday I got a banger move on gold right over here. I had a buy stop over this, and it went straight to 50 pips. Like, we're talking 30 pips in just like a matter of 3-4 seconds.
Yeah. My did I think GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, my GJ trade was like 10 seconds.
Yeah. Adam Siddiq, fresh charts every morning, mate. That's how I like my charts. Fresh charts every morning. Get up. Alright, GBP JPY about to close.
I mark up my zones every session.
Every session? Yep. For me, I do it because I send trades out to the banger squad, King.
Yeah.
So this morning, actually, all the trade ideas that were sent out worked to the T. This morning, Alright, are we back? I don't know, my internet is acting up, I guess.
Yeah, you were out for a second.
Yeah. Here,
Discord we didn't hear.
risky sells in the banger session or Asian session is what I call her. Below 161 450. That was below here, 161,450. When we did close below, we dropped.
Oh,
Over here,
look at gold.
gold pushing up.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
I mean, it's still at the zone, but
Yeah, the thing is, gold we needed to close nicely. So if gold 1 hour candle in 4
1
minutes.
hour is crazy.
Yeah. That's a 70 pip 1 hour candle.
Look at that nasty 1 hour candle on gold.
Yep. Mm-mm. Yeah, Pero, that's right. What Erod said was when price is ranging intraday, sometimes we have to adapt and play within the range in the lower time frames. That's true. I think was it 2 weeks back? Yeah, 2 weeks back where GJ was ranging hard. Yep, right over here. Where we had to adapt this range and we caught some banger moves in there.
So are you with Funded Nest?
Yep, I'm at Funded Next. I'm up 4% on phase 2. We finished phase 1 last week, and so this week we're on phase 2.
Nice. They actually just contacted me too.
Yeah, they're fantastic, to be honest. As of now, I'm like I told the community I'd be able to give them better confirmation once I take my first payout. And you know, that's when we can actually give them a review on payouts and withdrawals and everything.
But so far, man, the fact that they offer you what do you call it, 15% profit share once you pass your evaluation, that's very good.
Yep.
And they say they give it to you on phase 1 and phase 2 as well.
Yep, 15% profit share on phase 1 and phase 2. So on my 5k account, that's 1,100 and something. GU is just slamming it down. GU was the textbook trade that we missed, guys. That's about 40 pips now.
GJ, go back to GJ.
Yeah,
Go back to GJ.
I'm here on GJ.
Oh man, that's only 1 hour.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still playing at the 30 minutes. So
Yeah, it's playing at that 15
Yeah.
minute.
Still didn't get 1-to-1 on my trading view, so.
Oh, you took GJ sales, PP?
No. I didn't
Rista.
take them. I just put this option buy sell on trading view, short positions, long position. I just put it on the trading view to see what would happen if I took it.
Yeah. Hopefully
and it still wouldn't.
Yeah, hopefully GJ doesn't start ranging the whole London session, because if it starts ranging, then if it breaks that low on the 15 minute, then we should be coming down during the New York session. So right now it's only wise to be looking for GJ sales, because we actually have clean traffic to the left of GJ if it breaks that low on the 15 minute.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Gold rejected from the zone. Last 10 seconds.
Yup.
Oh, Maluleka, how you doing? We got Maluleka here too.
Yes, we have the
Maluleka.
king in here.
Yeah.
The king has graced us today.
Oh, man. I'm sick about these GJs. I should have left it open.
How old are you, King?
I'm 37.
37.
Yes. I don't look it.
No.
Yep, I get that a lot. I look like I'm in my early 20s.
Yeah.
You do, honestly. I would have never have guessed
37.
37,
Yeah,
no?
and I was thinking, like, my man was driving for a long time. When did he start?
Oh man, GU. Oof. So sick right now.
GJ is going down.
Yeah.
GJ going down.
Let's see if we will get some reaction from 160, 100, and maybe to keep selling.
Yeah.
I would have caught 20 more pips now, 50 pips.
The thing with GJ is, right, it's a very impulsive pair.
But
Gold slowed down.
I'm gonna just wait and see what happens with it come New York session.
Yes, sir. I will be there at the New York session too.
Nice. I actually want EJ to keep ranging until New York session.
Geo is just moving like a absolute train, honestly.
because honestly, reason why I'm praying that EJ keeps ranging
Yeah, so
until
you
New
get a
York
banger.
is because I have a nice entry above 136.200 for buys, and there's also a nice sell entry below 135.800 for sales.
Yes, sir.
So I wanted to keep ranging here, and it should be. I'd rather get buys on EJ come New York session, but even if it sells, that's still not bad. On the 4 hour, we got clean range on the 4 hour to the left. To the downside, actually, no, I take that back. I'd rather take sales on EJ.
Yeah.
We have cleaner traffic to the downside than we have to the upside on the 4 hour.
That is right, King. GJ, now the 1 hour is making its top wick.
Tell me if you hear something from my side. I have workers.
Really, Squid always makes me laugh.
GJ, all pairs are bearish. Yep, all pairs are bearish. So, what do you think, King, of GJ now breaking the previous 1 hour low?
Oh, we just played bullish on the 1 hour.
Yep.
Oh, let me see. Okay, so that zone, if we close this bullish, then that zone just became the new support.
Yep. So that'll be the 300 level becoming the support. And Maluleka says, King, you sound like Vincent rhymes. I am all good. Good to have you here. Thanks for inviting the King to the stream. Beautiful. The King's always invited on our stream. The King, you never have to doubt. You just have to come whenever you're free.
I appreciate that, DC.
EJ is literally just ranging. People are saying EU drop coming, so let's check out Euro USD. Squid says Euro USD drop incoming. Break even. That's what it means. Health is wealth.
It's already dropping.
Yeah, that's what even I was thinking.
Cause GU and EU sometimes they move together.
Yeah.
So sometimes GU, EU, AU, and U. Sometimes they move together. And that's the best time to trade them.
But
so now GJ, the drop we had on GJ, it flipped bearish again. Now
Yeah.
the drop we had, that was why I said if we close bullish, then that's it. That's gonna become the new support. So we'll see what happens. So now GJ, EJ, AJ, so JPY pairs, if they're moving together, just know you have to stay in that trade. Just stay in it. Because now if you look at GJ is the only one that's really dropping. EJ is acting up.
yeah.
NZD JPY, I don't even know what it's doing. AJ ranging.
Yeah.
But when they're moving together, just know you're gonna catch you big moves. You can catch you potentially 50 pips, 100 pips or more, depending on the JPY pair you trade. That's why you also have to know and figure out the pairs that move together.
Yep. Honestly, I see EJ and GJ many times correlating. So on a day like today, when GJ and EJ are not correlating, it's interesting.
Yeah, it is. The fact that
I'll be back in like 10 to 15.
All right. Yes, King?
Huh?
Yep, you were saying?
Yeah, I said the fact that EJ is actually ranging now, so it's probably because EJ is weak and JPY is weak as well.
Yeah.
Or maybe they're both strong because GJ is dropping. So the fact that GJ is dropping, that means JPY is strong. So
Yeah.
maybe Euro and JPY, they're probably both strong. I don't use currency meter. I just don't like using it.
Yeah. For me, I just use it to just look at, what past data has told us. So, because all these are basically lagging indicators, right, King? So, according to the lagging indicators, Euro is slightly strong, JPY is stronger, GBP is very weak, and JPY is a lot more stronger. So, this actually explains, right? GBP, JPY has been falling, Euro, JPY has been ranging.
Yep, they kind of both strong, but still JPY is stronger.
Yep. So once we break out of this, sorry, King.
But GBP is very weak. What website was that?
This is livecharts.co.uk.
No, the currency cent meter. What website is that?
Yep,
Like,
live charts.
Is it? How much is it?
Okay, I have sent it on the YouTube chat. You can pick it up from there.
I don't see it. Okay, cool.
Yeah, you can use that. It's just correlation. That's it. It's a lagging indicator. There's really not much to.
Yeah, you can't depend on it 100%.
Exactly.
You still gotta, stick to price action.
We don't even use it as a confluence, guys. We just, now and then we take a look at it to see what economic data has done to the markets.
Oh, NZD is stronger than JPY. This time is actually right. That's why NZD JPY is actually pushing up.
Yep. So the only
Makes
question is, King, NCD JPY has no 4-hour bottom break. What do you think about that?
wow. Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's why it's ranging. It's in a range.
Yep.
If you go to the lower time frame, you'll see the range clearly.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big range, but still in a range.
Yeah.
Except if you cut the buys at the demand, let's say maybe on the 30-minute or on the 15-minute, because we had a demand entry,
Yep.
and obviously be in profit, but it's still a range.
That's amazing, King. Looking at NCD JPY, very interesting. Yeah, it's stuck in that range.
Maybe come New York session, we'll see a break above the highs.
Yeah, I think you're actually going to have the better trade in your session.
You should probably switch to New York session.
Yeah, I don't know. Trust me, it's really terrible because honestly, London this year has been ranging a lot. So if you look at a lot of us who trade London session, stop loss matters, champion pips and all. Champion pips has taken 6 trades in London session.
This month?
Yeah, this month in May.
Oh, just 6 trades?
Only 6 trades. I've just taken 7 trades in London session because it doesn't show itself in the London session. But
oh wow.
Yeah, but I've been taking trades in the New York session, which have been absolute slappers as compared to the London session. Samita, what's good, lad? Welcome to the stream. We have King here with us today. Yes, Mr. Trooper, Finland and Sweden have applied to join the NATO, but the impact will come when the result is whether they accept it or not. Yeah, guys, smash the like button on the stream. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep moving forward. Sally, nice to have King Abe on board. I think Sally's from your stream, right, King Abe?
Oh.
Sally,
yeah.
Yeah, because I think I saw Sally in your stream yesterday, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I think I don't know if it's a man or a female, but she was there yesterday.
Yep. Let's watch gold creep above 1817.
Okay. Sally, are you a medical doctor because of your MD?
AZ, no. Phoenix FX Trading trades for free on YouTube, but I'm pretty sure you have a mentorship, right, Phoenix? Yo, King Abe, feel free, just plug all of your stuff. Feel free to just plug your stuff right over here.
Now
The-
I'm here.
Let them know what Phoenix FX Trading is all about and your mentorship and whatnot you have going on. No problem.
I mean, they can go to my channel and check it out.
Yep. King Abe, I'll tell you what. Do you want to stream? You can stream it on Discord and I'll put it on the live stream. So you can stream and just show them what Phoenix FX Trading is all about.
What do you mean?
So you can share your screen on Discord, right?
Uh-huh.
And I will put it on the YouTube live stream for you, and so people can see what you have to offer at Phoenix FX Trading.
Oh, what do you want me to show?
What do you have a website? Do you have a mentorship program?
It's
Feel-
all connected to my Discord.
All right, it's all connected to your Discord.
Yeah, it's all connected to my Discord.
All right, guys, let me just open it up over here. YouTube. Phoenix. Ooh, Luke Trades London. That's interesting. Luke Trades London is a very good friend of mine. I think I spelled that wrong, but yeah. So there you go, King Abe. Phoenix FX Trading, for all of y'all who know, he trades the New York session every single day. So when we look at it, King Abe, is it over here? Links. So it's on your Instagram, King Abe. So let's
Yep,
just
it's on there too.
look at his live session. So King Abe has a private mentorship. He has a 100k challenge going on. He has a one-on-one mentorship, and you can send charts to his Discord channel, which we will join. There you go. We're in King Abe's Discord channel. Beautiful. And so this is everything that King Abe offers. So guys, y'all should go and check him out. King Abe is a fantastic New York session trader, which I look at a lot of the time.
Go back to the Discord. That's all you see.
That's all I see, King Abe.
Ah.
Yeah. Text channel and voice channels are locked, right?
I get it. I know why. It's
Oh
because
wait, yeah.
you can't see my premium stuff. Yeah, okay. I
Yes,
get
sir.
it.
Alright, so there you go. Does anyone here know how to trade cryptos? Because most of analysis fails. Sagar, when you trade crypto, what you have to look at is crypto is an asset which is highly determined by fundamentals. Alright? And so, you can have someone like Elon Musk come and influence the crypto world. Right? So crypto runs on sentiment. Right? Not necessarily technical analysis or anything like that. What we do look at crypto is, like, we've had it marked out for a few days now, psychological levels where profit taking and investing happens. Right? So that's why, Sagar, you have to do your due diligence and do the work, like everyone over here, King A found his strategy on how he would trade Forex and so on. Like, look at all of them over here. So that's why I would say you need to do your due diligence on how you would want to trade cryptos. So yeah. AZ, EJ is going back to the entry we had. Yeah, it's alright, no problem. Let EJ do what it has to do. As soon as it breaks out, we'll be in. We will rip EJ for all the money we can possibly make on it. GJ is flipping bearish yet again. 1 hour breaking the previous 1 hour low. You'd most likely have to wait for the 15-minute closure below 300. Andrew Eva, is there Euro JPY sells on the break of the 30-minute low? No, we're gonna wait for Euro JPY candle closure. You see, look, we formed a support, right? So now what you want to see is a candle closure. You want something like this, right? So the next candle wakes up and then continues down just like that, right? Maybe a deeper drop is what we are looking for. Alright, so you get what we're looking for? Yup, gold is looking interesting. I'm waiting for it to break above 1817 so we can get some nice little buys in. Euro JPY playing a little bit. GJ looking to break below. Let's see if we can.
I would rather like to see gold bearish engulfing.
Yeah.
Then a break above.
Alright, so Akib Siddiqui asked a really good question on NZD JPY. What do we mean that it doesn't have a 4-hour bottom wick, right? So Akib, you have to ask yourself the question, okay? Look at all of these 4-hour candles, okay? How many candles, 4-hour candles, don't have a top wick or bottom wick? Alright? So you go doing the math, even if it's like, okay, let's say 70% of all candles have a top wick and bottom wick. Yeah, top wick and bottom wick. One here doesn't have a bottom wick. Top wick and bottom wick, top wick and bottom wick. So you can see that, right? So there's a 70% chance that the 4-hour can go down to create that bottom wick, right? So that's the important thing. So there's a 70% chance that when we do flip this, we can create a bottom wick and no one can tell us how much of a bottom wick will be created, because it's already defined as top wick and now the bottom wick is left to be decided, to be defined basically. So that's why I always say when there's no bottom wick or top wick on the higher time frames, it's you really gotta watch out and watch the play come. Alright, EJ coming in, King Abe. EJ is coming in. Man, that was such a scammy move on EJ. It came back to my entry. Now you should be in positive because my entry was down here, right? At 820. But yeah, we're just going to wait for the candle closure and then I'll take it on the next candle. If EJ scams me twice, I would be done for the day.
Better wait for the gold. It rejected zone.
Gold also looking interesting. But Euro JPY is looking really nice and clean. We're gonna wait for a close. Last time we took an impulse entry, so our impulse entries for the day are over, okay? So we're gonna wait for this close on EJ. If we close below 800, we'll get in. Yeah, I got stuck in now. I am out. So yeah, we're gonna wait for the nice closure and take it based on that. GA biased, broke and retested concept in 1 hour time frame. GA. Oh, I don't even have GA. Hector is calling it a night. Good night, Hector. Take care, man. Be safe. Okay, GBP AUD. Beautiful, broke and it's retesting now. Yup. So that is a potential again. So we'll have to see how it reacts to this 800 level. Look, coming back to Euro JPY, are we going back into the range or will we stay below 800? The reason why is look at the rejections of this 800 level, right? We haven't seen even a 5-minute candle close below 800, so that's why we're waiting. Actually, I'm still here waiting on EJ.
You see, the funded nest banner that you have, do you know what the size is? Do you know what the size of the funded nest banner that you have?
Oh, 1 minute, let me tell you. Funded next, yep. So right now I have it in 63. I think this is measured in pixels. 673 into 92.
673 by 92.
Yep. I gave up on EJ called GU and GJ says, yep, that's true. AZ says EJ positive. EJ is positive. I mean, come on, Squid, that was such a terrible joke. Squid's into those PJs for the day, eh?
You said 600 by 92?
Yeah, you can use 600 by 92, but what I did is I kept it the same 673.
673 by 92.
Yeah. Alright, GJ, come on, 3 minutes. EJ, come on, 3 minutes left. Let's go. Let's go, lad. Four-hour candle. I think EJ we can take it if it breaks the previous 4-hour. Good day. Is there any chance you guys did a US 30 analysis earlier today? I know you don't normally trade it, but just asking just in case. No, today actually I didn't open US 30. We were just looking at all the pairs, King, Ape trades. And so if we're looking at that, US 30 looks like it should drop. So Tom, what I'm gonna say is look at the plain price action, right? And everything that you're looking at on US 30 is we're rejecting this, and now we're getting some form of breakout structure on the 4-hour time frame, right over here. And so as we continue going to the lower time frames, we see this is our 2-hour level down here, demand level. Alright, so our job is to catch it in between here. And then if market structure continues itself, so right now we're at this resistance, so are we gonna change it, so now you can look at it, we have a high, right? So if this low doesn't continue to break this low and continue down, then you know what's gonna happen, because now it's pretty much this. If we break this high, we should continue up. Plain market structure, right? So if we come down now from here, then we're continuing back down. Right? No problem, Tom. Euro JPY still playing around. Come on, EJ, what are we doing over here? Guys, let me know who you want as a guest. Also, let me know who you want as a guest. Yo, Abe, thank you so much for joining us today, man.
My pleasure.
It was awesome joining, getting you to join us and trade with us. We'll look forward. Whenever you're up at London, feel free to just hop on, say what's up. Come on, guys. W is in the chat for King, honestly. What time frame you use to mark your support and resistance levels? So it's a multitude of time frames. You gotta work your way, Sagar, from higher time frames to the lower time frames, right? Because the higher time frames will show you clarity and the lower time frames will show you entry, basically. So that's why I always say look at your higher and lower time frames. All right, EJ closed 30-minute candle bearish, right below the previous two supports, below 850, but I do not think that'll be a Daniel Savage. I wish I'm pretty sure Daniel Savage won't reply to a small account like mine, but yeah, let's see. Never say never. Maybe if you guys let spam Daniel Savage and ask him to join us up, then yeah, it could be a possibility. The fact that I have the exact same lines you drew on US 30 makes me feel all fuzzy inside. Also, it appears I'm finally getting my top-down analysis correct. Beautiful, Tom. That's amazing. The thing is, we keep adapting. Okay, if this doesn't work, then okay, I'm gonna remove these lines and adapt to it, and adapt to the markets in a beautiful way. GJ closed below 300 on the 15-minute and 30-minute time frames. 30-minute with a big rejection from the upside. Euro JPY has now created the top wick. We can wait for the 45-minute candle to close below this level. The 1-hour candle also, and that should be the 4-hour close, right? Do you think EJ can push in the last few minutes of the 4-hour? Right? Do you all think EJ can push in the last few minutes?
Are you mad at gold?
A little bit.
A little bit?
No, it's just
You
like...
didn't check it in like last hour.
Because honestly, I lost interest once it got back below this resistance. Only because like now it's another waiting game. Because now we have to wait for this 4-hour to close, right? So yeah, EJ.
Yeah, that's next
Yeah.
30-minute candle. If it goes engulfing bearish,
Yeah.
we can sell it.
EJ break of the 4-hour low sells. Should I give it another try? Interesting. Should we? Nah, I'm not giving EJ a shot, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not giving EJ another shot. And we may regret it, but it's fine. I just didn't like the EJ setup. GJ with a massive drop. What are we talking about on GJ? GJ just flew down. What's that? 17, 18 pips. 15-minute candle closure. Very interesting. There you go. Look at EJ. It dropped with a 1-minute candle and it came right up with the next 1-minute candle. So right now I'm just not comfortable with EJ. Have a nice nap, King. You too, King. Take care. Thank you for joining us today. And feel free to join us whenever you're awake in the London session, yeah? You know the vibe. Alright, guys. King is heading off for the day. It doesn't look enticing. Ooh, GJ. Yet again. Will GJ continue its move down? Or are we gonna reject off this level? There you go. That's why I did not take EJ. It's just so messy. I don't like it. Let it continue down also. It's not my problem anymore. I don't like EJ because of it's not been showing us the clean moves yet. If it does, well and good. If it doesn't, yeah, it's fine. I'm out of this. Cheers, King. EJ now starts moving interesting. Euro CHF, alright. Euros JPY dropping now finally. Exited GJ shots. Beautiful. Oh, what did GJ just do? 36 pips. All right, let's just do a self-assessment session, okay? I'm doing a self-assessment on myself. I think I've been way too precautious, don't you all feel? I've been way too precautious, so from now on we're gonna start being a little less precautious and paranoid, right? It's only because the starting of May wasn't the best, yeah. So, okay, so I will accept it, yup. That is something I will work on now. We've been too precautious. No, I've been too precautious. We're gonna change that up and we're gonna make sure, because our analysis is correct, right? Our analysis is correct. It's just that we're not seeing the exact setup we want to see, right? But the fact is the fact is that our analysis was always right? And I think it's only because, like, I've been precautious because I've just been waiting for my challenges to finish, and yeah. And the thing is, I find myself many times, not wanting to let you guys take the same loss that I possibly would have taken, right? And so that's why a lot of the times I don't want you guys to take any of the losses I've taken, even though my losses are the bare minimum. Yeah. 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 Exactly. That's so true. Mm-hmm. Yep. That is true. Yeah, it's not about the fear, it's more of like, being able to give them a good trade, being able to give them. Yeah.
Win rate, that's a profit,
Yeah.
So that's what I want to say.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And so many times what we look at is, right, good night Hector, see you guys, everyone who's there, take care. Is oh my bad, you couldn't hear Rista, my bad guys, I think I had desktop audio off, my bad. So yeah, many times the thing is, see, my win rate is up there, okay. Like my win rate is about 80% for the month of May, but that's because I've been really cautious. I've been really cautious, right?
Yeah, and you didn't take much trades.
Exactly.
I understand. But I mean, the month is like that.
Yep.
I took 2 trades in the whole month for 18 days. It is what it is.
Exactly. For me, the thing is, see, I passed the Funded Next Phase 1 in 7 days. I passed Funded Next Phase 2 in 2 days. Alright? And now I have 8 days to waste on my hand. My win rate is about 82%. Alright? My win rate is about 82%. And it works for me. Like, I've made $2,600 in the last 2 days on Phase 2. And I'm done with Phase 2 on Funded Next, And so... what I feel like, I want to give y'all also those bangers and that experience, but I kind of shy off. And yeah, guys, I will agree that, I've been kind of timid on this, but yeah. What challenge, Tom? Yes, Tom, 50k. Here is phase 1, right? We smashed the targets, 10 days, 76% win rate. Phase 2, 82% win rate, 2,600 done. Right? It's, for me personally, I only look for specific trades and I'm able to smash them out. And so I only needed 1% and I was done with it. And that's the $700 I basically took with King. And so that's pretty much it. So now I'm just wasting time until it's done.
You can you can place like 0.01 lot, yes?
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I think, that's where like I want to take this channel, guys, like we're all growing together. I'm also growing with y'all, I'm also developing with y'all, and it's been such an amazing experience, honestly. And yeah, we will grow together. We will become even more precise traders and everything in the process. I think Rista and all of us are working on the same thing, right? We're all refining a process that we believe has worked time and time again for us. For me, it's worked again and again, and I'm very cautious. And Sally, all right, yep, that makes sense. Yeah. So yeah, I think, off late, because of May beginning, I have been timid, because otherwise, the previous months we were just smashing trades out. And so I think it's just time to get that confidence back. And thank you, Rista. You've been encouraging and pushing, so together we only grow, right?
Of course.
So yeah, GJ absolutely smashed it at the park today. right from the top where we called it. I called 840, right? You remember me calling 840 again and again? That was beautiful. That was about 86 pips back. So yeah, if we just follow our trading plan, we notice that it always works out if we just stick to it.
DC, you know what's pretty cool about your community is that you do not have people who will blindly follow you.
Yeah.
You know, because you're objectively small streamer, small community, and
Yeah.
Why would somebody who is blindly following go and buy signals or whatever from small streamers? They will go to big ones.
Exactly.
So that's one more thing that you can have in your head, that there is not blind followers. So
yeah.
that's the reason why you need to make banger trades every day. And you know,
Yep.
all of them are learners. All of them want to learn.
Yeah.
And they understand if the whole month there
Yep.
is no trade, there is no trade, and that's it, you know.
Yep.
So keep that in your head too, so don't.
Yeah.
you
The
know.
thing is, Rista, what I find myself slacking back on is if I just had to follow my trading plan from the morning, right? That was
Yep.
closure below 840, we would have been up around 80 pips, okay? But in
Mhm.
that moment, like, you know, because I didn't want to call a losing trade, of course, right? I didn't call the trade out. So that's why I was hesitant on GT and we didn't take it. And that is my fault, right? And so I will accept that.
Yeah, but it's your fault only because you didn't take trade, so
Yeah.
you don't call losing trade.
Yeah.
If you call the trade and it gets losing trade, that's not your fault.
Yep.
You know, just your analysis for that trade didn't work out, and that's
Yeah.
it. You know, so it's better for my understanding.
Mhm.
It's better for me as a, let's say, new trader,
Yep.
to see somebody who I'm watching that takes every time trade like his setup is saying,
Yeah.
and lose 50% win, than
Mhm.
to see somebody who is thinking to take a trade. Of course,
Yeah.
there are times that you think, okay, this candle is not moving very well, you know, it's not pushing, you know, with big volume as you expected and everything. No, but it's pretty normal to you know,
Yeah.
to see somebody lose trade.
The thing is
How many
also
times?
I actively take trades with my community, okay? Like the monthly membership I have, I actively take trades with them, and with them I've been smashing out 5%. Yesterday I made around 4%. Today I made 1%. Day before yesterday I made about 5%. So our win rate has been up there. Like I showed you all, I've been trading the funded next account. 76% win rate for the last 2 weeks and 82% win rate for like phase 2 that's been in the last week. And so the win rate is right up there, the analysis has been right on point, but on the London session is where I have been kind of nervous. And yep, AZ says, yo DC, I respect your self-assessment. Yep, yeah AZ, it's just been, yeah, I guess, you know, we have to deal with different things, so yeah. But yeah, nothing but love and respect to the community. You guys are amazing. Despite everything, the support has been phenomenal. We will get on par and get up from here, you know. It's just a matter of time before we get up from here. So thank you so much for joining us today, Rista. Thank you so much for the support, man. And if anyone has missed the trade because of me, my apologies yet again. But follow your trading plan, follow your strategy. I've given you all the trading ideas. When we started the stream, everything played out to those trading ideas, right? And so it's important to do your own due diligence. But guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for the 1,175 subs. And I will see you all tomorrow, same place, same time, with a little less fear, eh?
No, of course. With no fear.
With no fear. See you guys. Take care and be safe.